Let us now meet the starters. First, for the Commission on Election Suffragettes. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 1, Chanda Manlapit. Millbucker, number 6, Shyla Tan. Setter and her team captain at number 9, Janie Yuma. Outside hitter, number 11, Judith Avil. Opposite hitter, number 13, Ots Nakon. Millbucker, number 18, Dan Gendrali. Starting libero at number 14, Kat Rodriguez. Head coach of the Suffragettes, Mr. Ricky Marcos. Calling on our Bureau of Fire Protection, Lady Firefighters. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 4, Fire Officer 1, Maritoni Diaz. Millbucker, number 6, Fire Officer 1, Anjanette Mamangon. Setter, number 7, Fire Officer 2, Izelos Milio. Opposite hitter, number 8, Fire Officer 2, Gang Abeliana. Outside hitter, number 17, Fire Officer 1, Ben Spitik. Millbucker, number 18, Fire Officer 1, Stephanie Adolfo. Starting libero at number 14, Fire Officer 1, Mai Magpantay. Head coach of the Lady Firefighters, Fire Officer 3, Franz Bautista. It's the Suffragettes versus the Lady Firefighters. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
So, among sideliners here, there's a prediction whether they all know this is not going to go 3 sets. It's bound to be 4 or 5 given the capacity of these two teams. The Comelec, by the way, has lost only once, and they lost to the AFP in straight sets. On the other hand, the first 3 games of the BFP, they lost, and now they're on a 2-game winning streak. They won against the Senate 3 sets to 1, and they seem to be in better control, and I'm sure they want to win because of the birthday of Abeliana here today.
Oh, sabi nga ni Coach Francine, this 3-setter game lang to. Kami on top. Next. Oh, let's see.
Judith Abel, ang ating dancer, with her first serve here. 1-0 Comelec. Mamangon with her first strike. The drop, and that'll work quickly for Gendrauli.
And you know, si Danica Gendrauli kasi is also a beach volleyball player. Kaya mabilis siya. Quick to see those open spots.
Saka sa beach volleyball, kailangan listo ka kasi dalawa lang yung kalaban.
Correct.
Unahan mo, kailangan palubugin mo sa sand yung kalaban mo as early as possible. Abeliana gets to it. Diaz asks for it. That's outside, just outside. Good try that time by Adolfo.
And ang services ni Abel is doing her team good kasi na-out of system niyang BFP kaya hindi sila nakakapag-set up ng magandang play.
Puro fractured plays, puro ad-lib. Abeliana, Adolfo becomes a set. Blocking at the net, Diaz with a hand on it.
Yeah, Diaz with a good eye. Nakita niya kung saan pupunta yung bola, kailan papaloob sa court nila yung bola. Good timing on her block. Look at that.
First point of the Lady Firefighters. Many of them, save for their imports, really in the line of fire, so to speak. And another tap at the net. 2 points in a row for the BFP.
Oh, you know, I like the way Diaz plays kasi pag tinignan mo siya parang ang hinhin. Tapos pag tinamaan niya yung bola, ang gandang puntos para sa kanyang team.
Mainitin din pala ang ulo niya. The setter, Josmilio with the serve. That is blocked! Airtime!
Alam mo, sabi nga ni Coach Francis, talagang pinag-aralan nila ang Comelec. Pinanood nila yung games ng Comelec. And that's why the 2 blockers were in sync to stop Gendrauli.
Exactly. And again, Aizel Josmilio will serve. Abel, Yumang, Gendrauli, her shot too hot to handle.
And you could see Jen Rowley, yung shoulders niya, ibang direksyon, yung palo niya linihis, ibang direksyon din. Look at this. Look at how that, wipe away hit.
Danica with 2 of the 4 points already registered by the suffragettes. Punch set. Diaz. Yumang says, tabi dyan. Abil unloads. Diaz will strike. And Diaz gets the point.
You know, you like the, itong bench ng firefighters, maingay sila. You know, maybe it's because birthday nga ni Abellana na nasa harap na ngayon.
Tapos ang dami nilang mga ka-opisina dito. Wala na naman pumasok sa opisina nila. Well, why not? In the meantime, that shot is out. And the BFP takes the lead for the first time at 5-4.
Good eye there by Josmilio. Nakita niya na wide na yung palo, so she let that go.
Serve in play. Abil uncorks. Josmilio sets Diaz. Hinabol. Nagawa ng paraan kahit pa paano.
Oo, hinabol niya yung bola pero na-control pa rin niya. She goes for the zone 1, not quite zone 1, in between 1 and 2. A hard area.
And taking care of that was Chanda Manlapi. You've got Yumang all set to serve. Jane serve in play. Diaz got to it. Abellana fires. Chanda was there. Hendrauli. The set by Josmilio down the middle. Kept in play by Abellana. Diaz. Oh, she got it. You're right about Diaz.
Diaz, diversity of hits. Pinapakita niya sa atin. Iba-iba yung approach sa attack niya. Merong mahaba, merong cross-court, merong down the line.
And Diaz has scored half of the points of the BFP so far. She has 3. The serve, solid. Yumang reverses. And Raleigh misses the target.
She's asking for a touch. But none is given by our referees.
Alam mo dito sa ligan to kasi walang challenge. You can't count on the check ball. No, it won't work. Might as well hit it cleanly. That is clean.
Yan. Parang pinakita sa atin ni Danica na hindi, sabi ko, pasok yun. O yan, ulitin ko.
Pakita ko sa inyo. And well within the parameters of the floor of the court. 6 serving against 7. Abellana. Josmilio. That's nicely done by Bentic. From the middle. Magpantay. Drop shot. Read cleanly by the D. Mamangon, and that's out.
You can see firefighters, they're fired up.
Yes, they are. They'd rather stop the fire, but they're okay there. Let's go to Ira.
Nakasalubong ko tong si Coach Franz Bautista after they got their first win against the judiciary at sinabi niya talaga sa akin, promise, tuloy-tuloy na to. And true enough, they were able to win 2 consecutive wins after getting that one against Senate. And sabi ni Coach Franz Bautista, gaya nga ng sinabi niyo, nagsimula na daw talaga yung apoy sa kanilang loob at nanggigigil na daw itong kanyang mga players na maging sunod-sunod na yung makuha nilang panalo dito sa first round. And sabi sa akin ni Coach Franz Bautista, mas inigihan nila yung kanilang mga scouting. Pinanood nila yung mga tapes, inaral nila kung saan pumapalo ang mga spikers at doon nila sinisimulan yung kanilang depensa at binago talaga nila yung kanilang defense pattern. And sabi sa akin ni Coach Franz, iba na daw yung BFP team na nakikita nyo ngayon. They already move as one at hindi daw nila papatayin yung kanilang apoy. Balik sa inyo.
So true, Ira, and the coaches doing their homework. In the meantime, it's 9-7. The serve, however, will belong to Chanda Manlapit.
Pinagandaan talaga to ng firefighters because they know na ang suffragettes are a team to beat. Mahirap silang kalabanin.
Yeah. Especially with Abil and Hendrauli as their imports. Here comes a tap. One-handed pickup does not work for number 13. That's Nokon.
Akala ko medyo nauna yung talon ni Bentic dun, pero ang ganda ng stretch ng kamay niya. Nagawa niya ng paraan. A good push there for a point for their team.
Anjanette Mamangon will be serving. Abil unloads and connects.
Kita mo dun sa arm swing ni Abil that she was really going to hit that ball with heart. Kaya kahit na nandyan yung dalawang blockers, she tooled it.
Gigibain yung Shyla Tan with the serve. Osmilio. Good combination play. Nagko-combination play na itong BFP.
Kaya exciting tong game sa UNTV kasi nakikita mo yung mga teams pa-improve ng pa-improve, nagle-level up. Tsaka ang tindi ng passion nila.
At saka hindi na yun just set, open, di ba? You know, nothing to take away, nothing away from high school volleyball, but that's the way it's played, di ba?
Yes.
Open, porsyento. I mean, mahirap ituro kasi yung combination. That's perfectly done. That's Abel zeroing in that corner.
Si Abel, when she went up for that hit, she recognized the two blockers in front, pero walang problema kasi over the blockers yung bola niya eh.
Judith Abel now connecting for 4 points, and she's there at the service area, already with 1 ace.
Good serve.
Adolfo makes it a set for Abeliana, Lihis, and that's out.
If you read the serve of Abel, again, it's floater, it's flat, so that when it lands sa opponent, heavy. Kaya hindi nabibigay sa setter ng maganda yung first ball.
It kind of shanks.
Oo eh.
1 point lead by the Lady Firefighters. Joust at the net, and Rowley managing to keep it on their turf. Nice spin that time by Bentic. Battle at the net. And this crowd yelling their hearts out. And that is inside. We're tied at 11.
You really have to watch out for Jim Rowley kasi yung mga tira niya, hindi yung simpleng tira. Ting-target niya yung mga end line, yung mga long balls.
Sanay sa beach volleyball, saan ba walang tao?
Correct.
Bakit mo ilalagay doon sa gitna? Doon yung dumidepensa. Nice drop! But Hendrali wise to it. Hendrali reverses. Bentic smart to it as well. Abeliana makes it a set. Diaz unloads. Here's Lumang. Abel sends it to the sky. Here comes a set. And the attack down the middle. Kept alive, but out of play.
Si Adolfo, no, her approach was advanced, pero ayun, kaya nag-stop siya a little bit and timed her hit, which okay din yung resulta.
Yes. Mangsay's Hosmilio rather serving. Here comes Yumang set. Perfectly done. And Hendrali pulverizing the block there.
And you know, running yung approach niya, kaya yung momentum, kasama dun sa magandang arm swing, walang nagawa yung blockers.
Yeah, exactly. In the meantime, wasted serve there. And the BFP reobtains the lead. Adolfo with the serve. Look how long it is.
Ganda nung habol ni Abel doon. That's what you want from a player. Talagang susundan mo yung bola and then when you're sure na outside, that's when you let it go.
Jane Yumang will serve while we're tied at 13. Osmilio jumps. Oh, too hot to handle for Jane.
Yeah, ang ganda nung save ni Osmilio. I thought that first ball was really close to the net. Kaya nag-jump set siya. Perfect.
Tapos iniwas niya kasi makatawagan siya ng net straight.
Oo.
1 point lead by the Lady Firefighters of Coach Franz Bautista. Yumang propels it into the air. Hendrali eaten up by the defense.
Kita mo yung aggressiveness ng net defenders, ng Firefighters nandun. Lalo na alam nila na si Gendrauli yung titira ng bola.
And exactly what happened there. 2 point lead by the Lady Firefighters. Here's Diaz. That serve perfect, despite it nicking the net. Gendrali whips it strong.
Gendrali saw that there was a gap in between the two blockers, kaya doon niya pinalusot yung bola niya. And it also helped na hindi sabay, no? Hindi synchronized,
Yes.
kaya hindi nila talaga magandang na-cover yung sa net.
6 points by Gendrali, who is serving now. Osmelia sets. Bentic fires, handled well by Gendrali. Abil jumping into it. From the middle we go. That's too long. We're tied at 15.
You know, na-notice ko talaga dito sa Firefighters, they have high respect for the attackers of Comelec.
You're right, huh? And their preparation just shows. Gendrali with a steady serve. Osmelia sets. Abellana gets it to go for a birthday present here.
Ang ganda nung set. Usually, pag out of system, the setter gives it to the outside hitter. Kaya alam ng kalaban kung saan pupunta yung bola. Pero nagawa ng paraan ni Osmelia, goes for the opposite. Good hit there by Abellana.
Exactly. Ira?
Pagdating ng Comelec dito sa Paco Arena, nagsabit agad sila ng tarpaulin dito sa venue and they are calling out for voters registration. Sabi nga ni Attorney Kat Rodriguez, February pa lang ay nagsimula na sila ng pangmalawakang panawagan sa mga tao to exercise their right to vote. And of course, it all starts with registration. So dagdag pang paalala ni Attorney Kat na pag magpaparehistro daw, yung mga tao ay magpaparehistro sila sa lugar kung saan sila naninirahan at hindi kung saan sila nagtatrabaho. So sinasabi niya sa mga tao na magparehistro na at wag nang hintayin na mag-September 30, which is the deadline. Balik sa inyo.
Ready kayo kasi pag hindi nyo tinapatan yan, tapos pa-relax-relax lang kayo, magugulat kayo pag pumunta sa inyo. Dapat ready kayo. Okay, go. One good receive lang tayo. Tapos paano tayo? Tres, open.
Nandito ka na, mama.
Huwag kayong tatago sa mga blocker. Kunin niyo yung butas.
Sige, open. Dos lang. Pass mo lang natin. Huwag mo kabaan ha. Tara, go. One good pass lang tayo. Danica. One good pass lang.
Okay, the first report by Ira was about democracy, which was please register to vote, followed by a timeout that was very democratic and so many voices coming out at the same time. And that's the way Ricky Marcos runs his ship there. Everybody has a voice.
Oo nga. Sabi nga ni Coach Ricky na kailangan on your toes. Kasi when you're on your toes, you're quick to move kesa sa flat ka on the ground.
You have to feel light on the court. Ready to go left, right, forward, back.
Right.
Abellana, birthday lady. Lakas.
Kita mo tumawid na yung bola sa net, hindi pa siya bumababa. Kaya alam mong outside na yun.
Yun ang barometer. No? Kailangan sa net sumasalok na Score, 17-16. Dikit po ito as expected, living up to its marquee building. These two teams, two of our rookie teams, really, look at that combination play. Not exactly smooth, but they'll take it. Abel with a bullet that is inside.
So much confidence in that hit. There goes that setup. It's a perfect distance from the net na iwasan niya yung mga blockers because of it. Ganda rin ng height. Nasa comfort zone ni Abil.
Abil with 5 points. The drop by Osmelia. Tracked down by Tan. Yumang sends it over on the third tap. Down the open space. That was perfectly.
Yeah. Ang ganda kasi ng first ball ni Abellana Very smooth. Diretsong-diretso kay Osmelia. Kaya napagana niya yung middle niya.
And Jeanette Mamangon taking care of matters there. AJ serve. Wow. They're running into this spate of inconsistency. They'll get a point and they'll mess up their serve. Change in the lineup. Number 7, Victoria Hernan will see action for the first time. Tabla po sa 18. Hernan bungling. She has 8 seconds. Adolfo. Hernan keeping it in play. Gendrali. Abellana is there. Oh, good flight. You could tell that Bentic was going to score.
You know, Bintit is not really a tall player, but she jumps high and she knows when to jump. Very important yung timing din eh.
Bentic already with 3 points. Hernan will go out and Tan is back in. Angelique Bentic will now serve for the Lady Firefighters. Bends her serve. Abil is there. Yumang will go to
Nice.
shoot it.
Oh, good coverage.
Yeah, from Bentic who came from way back there.
Hulog sa hulog. Pero mas maganda yung coverage, ayan, ng Firefighters. That's why they were able to keep that ball alive. Sabi nga ng coach kanina huwag kayo sa shadow ng block. Lalabas kayo sa shadow para maganda yung coverage.
Nung nanalo nga sila sa series, sabi ko sa kanila, nung nag-cool down na sila, sunog na, nilulusog niya, volleyball pa.
Abil, nakita natin, iba-iba ang kanyang approach sa bola. Merong malakas, merong mahina, and that one was a soft touch. That earned the point for them. Saved a lot of energy for her.
BFP hangs on to a 1-point lead. This is anybody's set. Oh, we're tied.
Kanina pa si Abil scoring from the service zone.
In the meantime, Judith Abil, who has now registered 7 points. We're tied, knotted together at 20. And Suffragettes overtake the Lady Firefighters 21-20. We have a timeout by Coach Franz here. Let's listen in to the BFP.
Isa lang naman yan. Kaya-kaya yan.
Nakatatlo na dun sa zone 1. Huwag ka masyadong pumasok doon. Sino ba yung setter? Di ba bababa ka sa drop ball? Ibig sabihin ikaw, bababa ka doon para sa zone 1. Para ito hindi mabutasan tayo dito sa gitna. Tatagalin lang yung depensa kasi nakikipagpalitan lang sila. Wala silang ginagawa.
Depensa tayo may problema. Magsasaw tayo. Pwede service nyo. Siguraduhin natin. Huwag natin sayangin ng service ha.
Tama na. Cheer up na.
Oh, ay nako, kahit anong liga talaga. Tara, tara, tara! Tara, tara!
Sabi nga kanina, di ba, ni Coach Franz, yung pinag-practice talaga ng firefighters is footwork, quick reaction, tsaka dapat, matalino paggalaw sa court. Yung mga kasulok-sulukan, binantayan din nila sa training nila at yun ang ginagawa ng Comelec. That's a good point from the firefighters coming from a timeout.
Yes, and that's what you want in a match as close and as so fiercely fought. Even the smallest lead is a blessing.
Yes.
21 all. Kanino ito? Hindi ko alam. Baka kayo alam nyo. And Ronnie is rejected and double block is right there blanketing that net.
Kita mo yung synchronized jump ng blockers ng firefighters. Look at that. Kaya walang dadaanan talaga yung palo ni Gendrauli.
Ricky Marcos wants to talk things over. His team behind by 1 at the home stretch of the first set.
Na lang para malayo kasi malaking blocker dito sa
Yung blockings nila, dito yung malaki guys. Doon mo pa kinabig. Makikita mo naman yun. Dalawa nagpa-block sa'yo. Okay? One good, one good receive kayo, dalawang receive lang. Tignan mo, kaya mo naman yan eh. Pero nakita mo naman yung blockings dyan eh. Adjust mo na lang. Kaya lang. Kahit pag malaki, diretso mo lang. Tama naman, lilipat sa
maliit
mga.
yung blocker naman dito eh. Kahit dos lang, para may choice ka pa mag-down. Okay lang.
Go, one good receive lang tayo.
Patay tayo
Yes!
Good reminders there.
Game, member!
Last. Tatagan niya na. Patapos na yan.
Kapitan natin.
Yan si Gendrauli on your screen. No? Kanina nga na-remind siya ni Coach Ricky na tingnan mo rin yung blockers kung sino yung mas matangkad. Doon ka dumaan sa mas maliit na blocker. Kailang pag, right now, I'm looking at the blockers, parang pareho sila ng height.
Yes. Ito. Winning time. Naipit. Over. Oh! Double contact. Ang tawag ni referee Corpus. And suddenly, the BFP with a 2-point lead. Is it enough? Let's see. Cosmilio. Bang serve. Uh-oh. Chanda nearly bungling that. And Rolly. Bentic is there. Oh, look at that! And Rolly hammering that down.
Oh, si Jendrauli, nakita din niya yung floor defense ng Firefighters, and she saw na walang tao doon sa zone 5. Kaya doon niya, yun yung direksyon ng tira niya.
The serve in play from Atty. Nocon. Abellana, full swing. Kept in play. Osmelia runs to set it. Bullet shot neutralized. Block! And Rowley all dressed up and nowhere to go. But nobody invited to the Comelec party to celebrate this one. We've got a loud crowd here today.
And you gotta love how they're playing. Both teams are really doing their best, stretching to the best of their ability to keep that ball alive.
Nocon serve, 23 all. Diaz. Nocon jumps into it. A free ball forthcoming, but then Raleigh makes it a spike. That will not cross. And the Comelec is at set point. Coach Bautista will try to freeze the other side.
Post lang. Masyado kayo nararatil. Kaya yan. Dalawa pa, oh. Isa lang naman yan. Kaya yan. Pusuan. Kumapit na kayo. Huwag nyo nang ibigay yung set na to sa kanila.
Tara. Ito ang gagawin natin, ha. Isang receive. Isa lang yan, oh. Kailangan lang natin isang puntos, ha? Isang puntos lang. Tapos pagkatapos nun, tsaka ulit tayo mag-follow through ng mga gagawin natin, ha? Tulong-tulong.
Sipagan natin.
Tulong-tulong.
Sige lang.
Puso lang guys. Tara.
Isip na maayos, ha? Huwag na tayo masyadong manggigil. Okay? Walang pressure pero ayusin. Okay?
Nga ni coach, compose lang, huwag mararattle. Kasi usually, di ba, pag yung kalaban mo 24 na, pag ikaw nagkamali, talaga namang ibibigay mo na yung set sa kalaban mo. So kahit paano, nandiyan yung jitter na, I shouldn't make a mistake. Pero sabi nga ni coach, huwag marattle, calm down, let's get this set.
Let's see whose composure will hold strong here in this battle of the first set. Should be the theme of the entire match here today. Abil has to extend herself. Kendrali hooks it over. Here comes the attack from the wing. And we are tied at 24.
And that's what the Firefighters wanted talaga. Matay lang sila sa 24 and then move on to the play for Deuce.
This serve in play. That is outside. And it's the turn of the BFP to be at set point.
Talagang ang game na to, first set pa lang, sobrang exciting na. That was really outside.
And that's the serve by Adolfo. Whoa! A free ball. But don't tell that to Hendrali, who doesn't like free balls. Diaz. Oh! And look at this! From being down in the set point, they take the first set 26-24. What a comeback, Chiki.
Yeah, again, composure, talagang nanaeg, especially sa 23 all, strategic timing by Coach Francis, and talagang teamwork, solid teamwork from the Firefighters, but nothing to take away from Comelec. Ang galing din ng movement nila. Abil and Jendrauli, they did their jobs as the imports, and the rest of the team also nag-contribute din naman, kaya nga nag-26-24.
And this is an indication of how vigorous this battle will be. We have no idea how long it will be. We'll let the players take over here in the UNTV Volleyball League. It took 26 minutes for that first set. Lots of shouting, yelling. Great volleyball action from the two teams, but somebody had to win, and it was the BFP that inched out the Comelec 26-24. Let's take a look at some numbers here.
Yeah, so ang attack points, one point lang ang difference, but the blocks of the Firefighters, yun talaga, ang laki kasi ng respeto nila sa attackers ng Comelec eh. Kaya talagang binabantayan nila pareho Jendrauli at saka si Abel. Aces, ang Comelec, ang mas mataas doon. I think most of that, if not all, came from Abel. And you'll see the errors. Happy ka kung coach ka kasi mababa.
So, ang ganda ng adjustment in terms of composure ng BFP, di ba? They were down 24-23. So, they called the timeout. Let's regroup. Let's recalibrate. Let's focus again. And they took the next 2 points. Walang problema sa kanila.
Alam mo kasi, ang sabi ni Coach Franz, meron silang conditioning and strengthening coach, pero meron din silang meditation coach. And I think that's what helped dun sa last part, lalo na yung naging sobrang 23 all na, tapos I think one of the reasons why they were calm inside, composed inside, was that. Yung meditation, they're able to control.
And it seems to work for many teams, and because if you're too excited, it affects your concentration. Let's see, but this Comelec team, this is not a team that easily goes into the afternoon giving up. They went full throttle against the Senate in 4 sets. They were down there also. And now, let's see how they go here. Nocon, Yumang, Abel, and Drauli. Chanda and Tan are there. That's the team of the Comelec on the floor. Manlapit has to dig down deep. Osmelia sets. The shot of Diaz is too long.
The blocker was there for the suffragettes. Si Abel was there to stop that. Kaya may kita mo, they will not let go of any attack from Firefighters.
Osmelia on 2. She had no other recourse. It was too close to the net.
Kanina pa actually nahihirapan si Osmelia, but she's such a good setter. Kahit na malapit sa net yung bola niya, natataas niya at nabibigay niya ng maganda sa attackers niya.
The other side has Osmelia, Diaz. Pagpantay is the libero. Abellana is the double block. Hendrali aware of it. Bentic gets to it. Osmelia lets it fly. Diaz. Clear hit. Yumang. Osmelia calmly. And that's... Ooh, that could have gone out. Diaz realized it. And it's dead in the water. Adolfo could not lift it high.
Ang ganda ng bantay ni Danica dyan sa balik ng Firefighters. Look at that.
Yes, exactly. Audrey Rose Nocon will serve. Osmelia sets. Abellana, Manlapit unable to handle it. Yes, oh! Yumang and Manlapit can do nothing but forget about it and laugh about it.
Kung ikaw yung humabol ng bola, tapos nakita mo na dalawa sila, tapos hindi na itaas, you'd really feel bad.
But on the other hand, sabi ni Chanda at saka ni Jane, mahirap na baka nagkasuntukan pa tayong dalawa. Tatamaan tayo. Osmelia, reverse set. The slap! Oh, beautifully done by Diaz.
Diaz, nakabukas yung kamay niya. So alam mo na ihuhulog lang niya yung bola.
Diaz is the leading scorer for the BFP with a sum of 8. Punch by Jane Yumang. Osmelia. Blocked. Ooh. Yes, no whistle we play on. And Drauli Third ball. Yumang sets and Raleigh undecided, adjusts in the fractured play, and the ball drops on the side of BFP.
Alam mo, sa ganda ng laro, nakalimutan ni Josmeño, setter pala siya. Kasi binabantayan niya yung yung likod
You know, exactly. Huy! Ano ka ba? Halika dun! Well, it happens.
Yeah, it happens.
Josmeño sets down the middle we go. And Abellana strikes hard to give BFP the lead 4-3.
That's why it's really important when you're the blocker that your arms are up and over the net para hindi lumalabas yung bola like that.
Exactly.
Sharp.
Yes, Tony Diaz has been playing well. Track down. Drop by. Is that Bentic or Abellana?
Yeah, that's Bentic. Cool na cool si Bentic. Kita mo ulit yung kamay niya bukas. So alam mong i-roll over lang niya yung shot na yon.
Abel somersaulting in an effort to keep it in play. BFP pulls away by 2. Yumang. Now, this is going to be shot over. Third ball. Yes! And Mamangon pierces the defense.
You know, when Josmeño gets a good first ball, pinapa-entertain middle niya for a faster attack. Pag faster yung attack, alam mo hindi pa ready ang defense ng kalaban.
Butas na butas ang depensa ng Comelec. Mag-uusap ang mga suffragettes.
Defense pattern kasi natin malakas na palo. Stoy, huwag niyo kakalimutan, hindi ka pa naman pasok, bakit pumasok kanina? Diba? Ganyan lang gagawin natin, wala nang iba. Kasi yung palo lang naman nila, mabilis lang, binibilisan nila, hindi naman malakas. Okay? Dahil ka kanina in-spin, nagtago ka dito. Diba sabi ko sa'yo, pag di ka in-spin ganon, huwag kayo mawala para mga ano tayo. Kasi kapag iniba nyo yung gusto nating gawin, hindi tayo makakadikit dyan. Ganon at ganon lang yung gagawin niya. Ha? Relax tayo, huwag kayo matataranta. Ha? Okay, tara.
Relax lang lang. Kaya, katulog niya na ang golden. Sa friend! Yes! Relax lang ang galaw, relax.
Kapalta mo kami 13 kay Ma'am G.
Sabi nga ni Coach Ricky, stick to the defensive pattern. Kasi yun naman yung talagang pre-practice nila, pinag-aralan nila yung kalaban nila. So kailangan stay within the defensive pattern. Tsaka kailangan bantayan yung mga attacks, no? Kasi kapag merong net defender, kailangan iiwasan mo siya or gamitin mo siya para makapuntos for your team.
Attorney Ira Fernando replaces attorney Audrey Nocon on the side of the Comelec. And we have Tony Diaz all set to serve. She is the leading scorer for the BFP. Blocked.
Wow.
Nicely dropped.
Yan ang teamwork. Si Manlapit. Ito kasi na-block ngayon kay Gendrauli. Ayan, dalawang palo.
Parang choreograph sila ni Shaila Tan. And BFP now with a 2-point lead. The serve belongs to Hendrauli.
Nice serve.
Oh, confusion on the side of the Comelec.
You know, that was an out-of-system play kasi ang lakas ng service ni Hendrauli. Ayan, no? Tumakbo pa si Josmeño kaya sa outside hitter niya nabigay. Pero Bentic, the hitter that she is, nagawa niya ng paraan to the block.
Loida's serve. Problematic first ball.
Yan ang nagagawa ng strong attack from the service zone. A quick point for your team.
And that makes it 8-4 here in the second set. The first set going the way of the BFP. Right, the closest the margins at 26-24. Birthday girl with the serve. Abel, high up and out, flat. Very flat strike.
Mali yung tama ng kamay niya dun sa bola. Marinig mo rin, no, sa tunog.
Yeah, flat. Block. Ira Pablo with a report.
AJ Mamangon played for AUF or yung Angeles University Foundation. So she played for the Prisaa and hindi televised yung mga games doon. So UVL is really the first time that she was able to experience playing for televised games. So right after college, pumasok daw siya sa Pag-ibig and then NLEX right after kasi may advantage daw pag marunong ka maglaro ng volleyball. Makakapasok ka dahil paglalaroin ka daw sa mga liga-liga nila doon. So for BFP, she really entered this institution para maging firefighter. Tapos bigla daw nagkaroon ng UVL at napagkakaalaman ng kanyang mga teammates na marunong palang maglaro itong si Mamangon, kaya na-line up siya dito. So she's already 29 years old but she's already a mom of 2 kids as well. Balik sa inyo.
Okay, dakal pong salamat. So, University sa Pampanga siya naglaro. Ano? Samantala, score natin ba? Biglang humiwalay na ang BFP.
Oo. You know, you wouldn't think na mom of 2 na si Mamangon. Parang kakagraduate lang niya ng college.
merong talaga mga tao, life is unfair. Hindi talaga tumatanda. Here comes her serve. Middle strike. Abel blocked by Adolfo, but it's blocked out.
Again, the net defender is there para sa attackers ng Suffragettes. Talagang alam mong babantayan nila kahit saan manggagaling yung attacks.
Shyla Tan down the middle. That's long. 2 quick points by the Suffragettes. Shyla Tan. That's inside.
Yan nga yung sabi, no, na the hits of the firefighters, they're not really that strong, pero it's fast. Kaya kailangan on your toes ang floor defense ng Suffragettes.
And it's Bentig with her serve. Yumang. Abil. That's in the corner. Clearly so.
Yun yung gusto ni Abil eh. Mataas yung bola para nakakatingin pa siya sa defense ng kalaban at naiiwasan niya yung blockers.
Abil will serve. Her team down 8-11. Lalim ng kuha. Out of position si Abeliana.
Yung bola kasi ni Abil eh, kanina pa to eh, very flat. It's look at this, no spin, tapos biglang bagsak. Yung hirap i-receive.
Lady Firefighters lead has been slashed down to 2. Hot serve. Free ball forthcoming from Diaz. Abil, Yumang, and Drowley gets it to bind in the corner.
Si Drowley or Drowley, hindi mo pwede siyang pag-isipan na, it's a simple hit.
No.
Okay, so siya ginagawa niya ng paraan eh, hinahanapan talaga niya ng butas.
Timeout.
Okay? Pabulin natin yung nasa likuran din. Abangan na rin yung papalo. Okay? Kasi dito lang naman yung babagsak yung bola eh. Kung kaya habulin natin.
Service receipt tayo, di ba? Pili kayo dito. Saan ka, Tony? Open. Atras ka dito. Ikaw, Panen, saan ka? Dito ka sa gitna, di ba? Dito ka, Mamgang. Tapos, si Libero natin, that's good. Umatras ka dito, Rumisipere. Sumama ka na sa reception, ha?
Sige. Tulong muna, Tony.
Yung zone 1 natin, ang target nila kanina pa. Pansin nyo ba? Ulit-ulit.
Oo.
Dito ka na pumesto. Dito ka na pumesto sa zone.
Tapalan nyo na yung zone 1. Okay? Kaya. Let's go, girl!
So we heard kanina yung mga sinasabi ng coaches ng firefighters because they are leading by only 1 point So kailangan bilisan nila yung andar nila kasi pag makahabol ang Comelec, talagang magbibigay pa to ng unnecessary jitters for them. So we heard yung mga attack attack plans. So let's see kung magagawa nila. Not that time.
Yumang and Rowley taking care of matters, and we are tied at 11. Danica beginning to wax hot here. She has 13.
Si Yumang din, she's a good setter because napapa-under niya yung kanyang mga attackers.
That's true, and she's calm and collected.
Yeah.
She doesn't get rattled. Abil with a serve that's too hot to handle. Magpantay, dropping to the deck. Abil, over-enthusiastic.
Yun yung
Probably.
problema pagka-chop. Diba? Sometimes hindi mo talaga na bibigyan ng direction. Mas maganda pa rin talaga yung plank, yung dalawang kamay, dalawang arms.
Osmilio serve. And Rowley. Yes! Gets it into the corner.
Si Yumang, kahit na underhand ang setup niya sa kanyang mga setters, alam niya yung height. Kung malayo siya sa net, basta taasan niya yung bola to give the attacker enough time to adjust.
Yes, indeed. That's out. Maria Manuel is the other libero for the Comelec. She's already on the floor. BFP back in the lead, 13-12. Mamangon bungles her serve. We're tied at 13.
Parang dumulas yung bola when she hit that ball for the serve.
Shaila Tan forgot that it was time for her to get back in action because she had moved to the front line already. The libero had to be drawn out. Here comes the serve by Jane Yumang, the setter. Osmilio. Mamangon. And Rowley. And Manlapit unable to make it crossover.
Yeah, that was a little hard for Manlapit kasi sobrang lapit sa net. And you couldn't really blame Jen Rowley because the first ball wasn't really a good one. Kaya ang layo nung hinabol niya to keep that ball alive.
Exactly. 14-13. Abil lifts it up. Tan sends it to Abil. And you get a break. Not exactly very good passing, but, you know, they'll take it.
Yeah. And you'll notice, itong si Bentic, kasi lakas niya pumalo, akala mo titirahin niya ng malakas, kaya yung defense ng Comelec umatras eh. Nakita niyang umatras, so hininaan niya yung tira niya.
Exactly. Bentic with 6. Abil. And she gets that to bite. Judith Abil now with 13.
Kanina si Abil, malakas lagi yung tira niya. So this time, she goes for an off-speed hit. It worked for her.
Here we go with Danica Jandrali. Abeliana. Off the blockers. That connects. And Bentic is quietly producing points. She has 7. Ira will make a report here.
Coach Franz Bautista told me na naging turning point daw yung sinabi niya sa BFP prior to their game against Senate. Sabi niya kasi, this game will determine what kind of players you are and what kind of team you are. Dahil hindi na sila pwedeng magbigay ng excuses. They already lost 3 games at the start of the season. So pag hindi daw nila makukuha yung panalo na yon, it's going to say a lot about their team. So it really fueled the players. Nagbago daw talaga yung galaw ng mga players sa loob ng court, and she saw a 180-degree turn. Talagang nagsama-sama daw yung team, mas nagpakita ng mas pinatibay na team chemistry, at talagang it really showed their eagerness to win each game na natitira dito sa first round. Balik sa inyo.
And what motivation can do is a check ball.
Yeah.
The point will go to Comelec.
Kasi pag natikman mo na magaling ka, tapos magaling pala yung team mo, pag nag-work together kayo, ayaw mo nang bumaba sa level
I guess
na yun.
so, yes. By the way, BFP issued onto the court Ivy Praferosa wearing number 15. The setter is Kainglet now. That works!
Kainglet is also a good setter. So kahit na umupo si Josmilio, parang walang nawala.
Yes. And back in the service area will be AJ Mamangon. AJ and company have a 2-point lead here in the second. This serve sails in better.
Buhay!
Yumang saves it from disarray. Kainglet, that could have sailed out. But, you know, when you go for it, you're committed to it.
Yes. Yes. If you say mine, kahit na nandiyan yung kakampi mo, itulak mo yung kakampi mo, kunin mo yung bola.
And the Comelec needs to huddle up.
Adjustan nyo ng konti. Kita ka na depensa, sige. Dito ka na depensa. Di nyo kaya habulin? O nagkailangan ba kayo?
Oo, nagkaano ka kasi nakita ko na sa akin.
Okay, sige, go. One good pass nila tayo. Isang magandang transition lang tayo para makano tayo. Okay, tara, go.
Sa amin na ito lang, hindi naman sa amin itong set na ito. Hindi sa swimming. Safred! Yes!
Tatlo lang yan, tatlo lang.
Dito kami.
Nakuha natin, pumatay tayo para makadalawa man lang tayo. Ha?
Bola agad.
Zone 1 naman tayo na.
Ayan.
Tulungan tayo.
Tulungan, very good. Let's go, Fred!
Si Manlapit is being given a lot of instructions from the coaching staff. So you know that an attack is gonna come from her end. So tingnan natin kung ano yung maproproduce niya, especially on defense.
You face for the Comelec. This is China Tanaga. Wearing number 2. Let's stay with the serve of AJ Mamangon. Lady Firefighters lead by 3. Took the first set by the closest of margins. That nips the net. Abil cuts it up. Attack from the middle. Nice drop. Praferosa wise to it. Into the back row and Manlapit unable to handle it.
Yeah. Nangyari yung attack na yun dahil ang ganda ng coverage ni Praferosa.
Suddenly, it's a 4-point lead by the Lady Firefighters. Keep in mind, they're on a 2-game winning streak here. Trying to shake up team standings here. Just above the net. They have to heave it over. Tan, Yumang, Abil center connection. Kainglet sets it. Kept in play nonetheless. Back row, Yumang unable to heave it high.
Betty, what a good target. Siyempre, gusto mong i-target yung setter para hindi siya makarun ng play. And that's what she did.
Kasi in-expect ng setter, second ball pa lang siya.
Oo,
No?
yes.
So, she might not be that prepared for the first ball. Look at that serve. Just passing inches above the net and Tan ends up short. Hey, pull away na itong BFP, ha?
Kita mo kasi yung Firefighters, they're enjoying, you know? Very
Well, yeah.
loose ang kanilang paglaro.
And now De Los Santos will see action one of their imports.
And De Los Santos is known to be a good middle blocker. So let's see. Kailangan nila ng good first ball para mapa-under nila si De Los Santos.
Yumang, they go to De Los Santos. Tanagan rather was there. Here comes Yumang. Goes to De Los Santos. Oh, and BFP losing that back at the net.
At pagkapasok pa lang ni De Los Santos, pumuntos na siya. Maganda yung misdirection ng bola. when she tipped it over.
Comelec will send in Rasos rather. Her serve stays in.
Good serve there by the Suffragettes. Oh.
Rasos will serve again. Lakas this time.
Kanina, yung serve niya, akala ko outside. Kaya lang, if that ball hits kahit na konti lang ng line, pasok yun.
Yes, indeed. 22 serving against 17. Tapping the net. Regalo!
Ooh, good coverage.
Proferosa, however, unable to bury it. Kainglet, the middle attack. Very much in play. Yumang will go to De Los Santos. Kainglet keeps it in the air. Diaz. Messi. Choreography by the Comelec on their side of the floor.
Yeah, I think Tanagan didn't really know whether she was going to give it to the center or put that ball over. Kaya alanganin yung bola niya.
Jennifer Sumalino will see action pulling ang Bentic.
Rest ng konti si Bentic. She did a good job for her team.
Alam mo, it takes a certain skill and art to know when to you can field all your players.
Yes.
Siyempre gusto mo pa rin manalo. But the rule of the tournament has to be upheld. And that works!
And that's why sabi nga, you have to know the tendencies of the attackers para alam mo kung paano i-defend.
Teresa Madulugdog is on the floor for the first time for the BFP, which is now at set point. Yumang, that's scored upon by De Los Santos.
Ganda ng set ni Yumang. Si De Los Santos din ang first ball.
Yes, they saved one set point. De Los Santos and her serve. Chance to ice it. They do!
She loved that last point of hers kasi it closed that set. Look at that. It's a good push to zone 1. Talagang ibigay mo dun sa matangkad na player kasi pag mabilis yung tira mo, chances are mas mabagal yung matangkad na player to get that.
At saka pag nagawa ng maganda, pwede natin siyang sakalin kasi ang galing niya. Pambihira kayo. 2 sets to love lead by the BFP.
So we're still watching the game between the Comelec Suffragettes and the BFP Lady Firefighters. Nakuha ho sa first set, 24-26, nanalo doon ang BFP. At second set, ganun din, nanalo din ang BFP 25-18. Very close match. May mga times na akala mo malaki na yung lead, tapos biglang humahabol ang Comelec. So ito yung naging kwento nung second set na yon. Attack points, mas marami sa Lady Firefighters because they had better first balls. So the setter had more options kung saan niya ibibigay yung bola. Mas madami yung errors ng Comelec at tatlo lang, very controlled yung errors ng Firefighters. Aces, I guess si Abil pa rin ito, no? Talagang she was doing damage from the service zone. yun lang, no, the other players of the Suffragettes really have to be faster in their movement, tsaka mas mabilis din sa pagbasa ng bola para talagang nadi-defend nila yung floor nila. Yan. Let's see what's gonna happen
Boy,
in the third set.
big challenge for the Comelec here, huh?
Oo.
If you review, if you review where everybody is, itong BFP, they're just playing as loose as possible. They're on a 2-game winning streak. Later on, we'll check the team standings. There you are.
Eto.
You'll see Comelec, isa pa lang ang talo nila.
Oo.
Pero in BFP, you play only 7 games in the first round. You play a total of 14. So maraming pang games itong BFP, makita mo. Pero maganda na yung investment ng Comelec. Pero they don't want to start losing all of a sudden.
Yes, that's right. So Comelec has to double time in their attacks and defense para makuha pa rin nila itong set na to stay alive in the
Yes,
match.
indeed. But this shot is too long for Diaz, who has been playing well with 11 points thus far. And Judith Abel will initiate service duties for the Comelec, which has the first point of the third. Iba yung energy ng BFP. They're playing with a different high, different level of motivation. Middle attack. Adolfo unable to pounce on it. Magpantay is there. The drop. Feverishly fought for. It's still alive. Magpantay grapples with it. Free ball. Yumang sets it. Now! Andrade, beautifully done.
Kala ko magbabaw siya after that eh. That was so good. That set was a little close to the net. The blockers were there, but not a problem. Iiwasan ko ang blockers.
Such a masterfully crafted dump. Comelec with a 2-point lead in the third. Abel.
Nice.
Oh, such a smart player.
Yeah. Kasi kanina pa siya nag-o-on 3 eh, di ba? On the third, doon na nag-a-attack. So, ginulat niya ang Suffragettes now and went for a 2 on 2 attack.
Mayroon maging player sa BFP. Pag magaling ka, sinasakal ka.
Oo nga.
Kasi magpantay, sinakal si Osmilio. Oh! Huli ni Adolfo, pero buhay pa. Free ball set. Opportunity to strike. Oh, they grab it. Yes! It's on the ground.
Nag-sorry pa eh, si Adolfo. Kasi parang tentative siya dun sa attack niya na yon. But it served them well because naka-earn ng point for them.
Ang bilis bumawi ng BFP. Naunahan sila sa score 2-0. Balik sa floor si Tony Ira Fernando para sa Comelec. Serve ni Osmilio. Tinaas. Andrade. Short.
And you know, when you keep attacking, dumadating din sa punto na napapagod ka din eh. Kaya kailangan talaga step up yung other players of the Comelec Suffragettes.
Saka nakakapagod pag napablock ka, nagnenet ka, nagdidepensa ka pa. Abel, Yumang. Smart, but Andrade denied again.
Ang ganda ng basa ni Abeliana dun sa tira ni Genrauli.
And De Los Santos will return. She'll give Danica a chance to regroup individually. Nababantayan siya. Alam mo, kuminsan pag nilalabas ang player, okay. Galit ka sa mundo, nabablock eh. So you calm down. Nice drop by De Los Santos, clear as day.
Yes. Very smart move. Don't challenge the blockers. Just earn a good, quick point.
Ganun din ang point eh, di ba? Whether hataw o placing, parehong 1 point yan.
Correct.
Dadating kaya ang araw. Ang drop 2 points. Oh! Won't work for Fernando. And the serve returns to the BFP. drop message. Not this time. Reverse! Oh, red hot! Abellana with 9.
Ang ganda ng set ni Osmelia. Look at this back set to Abellana. Perfect. Walang blockers. Kasi iisipin mo, ibibigay niya sa outside yung attack.
Abel, Yumang lows. Yeah, she had the problematic set. Could have been double contact, but they let it go. Here comes Yumang. Better set. The whip. And it's out of reach. Osmelia diving to the floor.
Si De Los Santos, hindi niya nahahataw yung bola because the set is not really in her comfort zone. So, ang ginagawa niya, piniplacing niya yung bola at nakaka-earn ng puntos for their team.
Exactly. Jane Yumang will be serving 4 against 6. Again, you don't want to be making some service mistakes in a crucial, close battle like this. BFP taking a 2-set to love lead. That is just above the net. And Magpantay reaches for it. That is blocked away and out.
Ang ganda ng tira ni Adolfo. Ay, ni Mamamon rather.
Yes. Yes, Ira, what do you have?
Despite being down 0-2, the Comelec Suffragettes are not in unfamiliar territory. The same thing happened with their game against the Senate last April 7, wherein they were down 2 sets and they were able to win that game. So they're not yet hitting the panic button just yet. Sabi nila, iisa-isahin daw nila to get back in this game. Balik sa inyo.
Exactly what they have to do, Ira. Nicely done by De Los Santos. Gives Comelec its 5th point.
Ayan na. Ito na yung 1 point at a time. So De Los Santos did the first point. Let's see if she could score from the service zone.
5 serving against 9. That's outside, and that'll give BFP its 10th point.
Kanina pa sila medyo challenged, no, sa service area.
Abellana.
Nice serve.
Bill got to it. Strikes that ends up short below the net.
No, maganda yung serve, pero ang ganda rin naman ng reception ng Comelec. Hindi lang naka-complete ng transition.
Officially, the score is 11-5. Timeout taken by the Comelec.
Sige, okay lang. Service na tayo, receive muna tayo. Okay, atake lang muna tayo. Ganun talaga, tingnan nyo. Kayo rin kasi yung gumagawa dyan kapag hindi nyo inayos. Kayo din yan. Depensa, kayo din yan. Hindi naman kami didepensa dyan eh. Sabad ko kayo para ako dumepensa dyan. Ha? O, go. Depensahan nyo, servicean nyo, pasahan nyo. Ha? O, tara, go. Kailangan matigil ka tayo dyan.
Kapit tayo! Jets! Go, team, go!
Baby kalma. Okay? Okay, let's go. Paso tayo, mag-focus tayo. Focus. Okay? Okay, bye!
Okay. Tama si Ira. Hindi naman nagpapanik yung Comelec. They remain enthusiastic. The game not going their way. They're down by 6 all of a sudden here.
Yeah, they just have to communicate inside the court kasi medyo nakaslump yung shoulders nila.
Tsaka bantayado kasi yung star scorer nila eh.
Oo.
Danica is a marked person here. And, you know, Coach Bautista, they did their homework. Huh?
Yes.
Set. Nagkagulo. Tinaas. Sabi ni Mamangon, makuha kayo sa pitik. Well done.
Ang ganda kasi tatlo yun ang block kay Abel. So sinabi niya, no problemo. She goes for a wrist-away action hit there.
The other libero for BFP, Kathleen Bukaya, unable to lift it high. Here's Chanda Manlapit. Here comes the set. Problemado. Osmelia knew it the minute it left her hand. She'll do a better set here.
Oh!
Now you're wondering, if you're BFP, why are you playing this patty cake game at the middle. Why don't you just strike as hard as you have?
Oo nga. Ito nga si Osmerio looked at Mamangon siguro sabi niya, tirahin mo.
Diba, this is what the coaches tell you. Palo!
Yes.
Because you have the advantage already of the blockers fading away. Bentik tapped it against the block. Abeliana. Yumang. Abel. Nicely done.
Galing. Galing pag-isip ni Abel. Again, nakita niya walang tao sa zone 4 rather. Kaya doon niya linagay yung bola.
Magbantay. Darts back in. Pulls out. Bukayang as libero. Chanda Manlapit will serve. Bentik. She will hit. Abil. Yumang. Abil. Yes, in play.
Oh.
Misread. Misread by Bentik.
Mistimed her jump there. Ito na ang Comelec, slowly but surely.
Yeah, yes, they are. Down by just 2, and a timeout is given to the BFP.
Siya kung ililipat, huwag naman dun sa harapan. Huwag sa harap. Oo, ibigay nyo sa likuran. First time. Game.
Isa-isahin niyo
Sipag tayo, sipag. Hindi na pahabol, sayang nung gap natin kanina. Sige lang.
Pag maghuhulog, huwag sa harap mismo kasi ang bilis kunin.
Tsaka ang ginagawa lang naman nila puro hulog, di ba? Kung pwede abangan nyo yung mga hulog nila. Okay? Sige lang, sa atin to.
Kulaway tayo, ha?
Oh, wait lang. Tawag nito, huwag nyo nang laruin sa harapan.
Oo,
Paluin ang
ilaban nyo
banata
na.
ng banata.
Sige. Kaya mo yan. Sige lang. Hatawin natin ang hatawin. Let's go, fire!
Sige lang, bawi lang.
Sige lang, Jay. Bawian mo ko ng mga 5, Jay.
Okay, dalawang pananaw sa mundo ang umiral sa timeout na yan. Huwag mo nang laruin sa harap. Hatuhawin mo na. Ganun talaga no? Eh si Mamangon, siya yung dalawang error sa hulog-hulog.
Correct.
Parang gusto niya sabihin, sensya no, sarap-sarap, tapay-tapay.
Sabi nga, di ba, kung hindi malakas yung tira mo, sa likod nyo na lang ilagay. Huwag sa harap.
Yeah, kasi pwede pang habulin din.
Oo.
So Malinog returns to the game. Abeliana. That's out. No touching nobody. You know, BFP always gets a point after the timeout.
Oo nga.
They always get, after they settle down, they get the point right away, which is probably to the delight of the coaches.
Strategic din talaga yung mga timeouts.
Yep. Abil down the middle.
Good reach.
By Diaz. Yumang will set for Abil. Easily handled. Sumalino whips it over. Yumang back to Abil. Block! And 4 touches. A net touch. Either that or that. It was a net touch. That was their undoing.
That was a good block there. Nabalik. Nagulat din si Abil na nabalik yung ball. That's why she was not able to react properly.
Exactly. AJ Mamangon. Look at that serve. Yumang. Osmerio. Oh! Alanganin.
Oo.
Regalo! Pinitik lang ni Abit. Sumalinog. Top angle. Yumang punches it high. They have to give it over freely. It'll float. Osmerio. Middle attack. Yes!
That was a good hit from the middle. Finally, yung hinihintay nating malakas mula sa gitna.
Yung sinasabi ng mga coach, baon nyo na sa likod.
Oo.
Pamangon. Abil. Abil off a hand there. And 2 2 straight connections that time by Stephanie Adolfo. She has 10.
Si Adolfo, malakas talaga yung kamay nito. Eh. Pag nabigyan mo siya ng magandang set, hahatawin niya yan. Parang rarely mo siya makikita buhulog-hulog lang.
De Los Santos zags out. Danica Hendrauli is back in. Mamangon continues to serve. Abeliana. Adolfo. Not this time. Yumang Abel almost exclusively. Tinas. Umikot si Sumalinog. Sumalinog lifts it high. Hendrauli. Yumang Abel. Yes, into the corner.
Akala ni Diaz ito sa outside. Good placement there by Abel. Again, another wrist away hit. Tagal na mga rallies, ha?
Yes, and you know that both these teams prepared well. Basics, ang ganda ng basics ng dalawang team. It's out. 11 against 15 now.
Now you could see smiles on the faces of the suffragettes.
Medyo nakabawi-bawi ng konti, but they're still down by 4. Shaila Tan serves. Adolfo, down the middle. Sumalinog!
She liked that hit.
Ganun talaga. Ito si Magpantay, may masamang ugali. Pag may nakaka-score, sinasakal niya.
Ito ang sakal. Yun.
This is Ais 11. There's Sumalinog who just scored the last point. Manlapit at the back row. Free ball forthcoming. Hard to tell if that was going out, actually. That could have sailed down. Yumang Abel. Bullet. Abeliana. Oh, sayang. Sayang. Ganda ng intensyon. Because that was the only shot she had, actually. Kasi pag dinig niya, tatama eh. Tama ang desisyon niya.
Ang ganda ng
sayang,
tira. Oo nga. Pero ang ganda ng tira ni Abel.
Yeah.
Full force, full hand on that ball. Hit it from the top.
Exactly. Naku, cross court. Osmelia, middle attack. Shaila Tan returns it to sender. Abel lifts it into the air. Naku, problemado. Problemado yan.
Kaya ang sinasabi ng coaches kung easy ball yan, make it high and sa likod mo ibibigay. Kasi akala mo madali yung high ball. Actually, mas mahirap yun because of gravity.
Exactly. Go, Ira.
Close friends itong dalawang import ng Comelec Suffragettes, si Sandy De Los Santos tsaka si Danjen Rowley. Si Sandy daw yung unang import na nakuha dito sa Comelec, tapos sinama niya yung kaibigan niya na si Danjen Rowley. So aside from being teammates, they also run volleyball clinics together. So yun yung ginagawa nila tuwing walang UVL or trainings dito sa Comelec. Balik sa inyo.
Oh, galing.
And their love of the game continues. It grows and grows, teaching and sharing it to a new generation of players.
Ako, madaming matututunan sa dalawang players na yan.
Oh, good punch, but Abeliana is there. Oh, well done by Danica.
Kita mo din, yung hawak ng kamay niya sa bola, ang bilis ng pitik. That's why when it returned, it was so fast, there was no defender there.
And the Comelec now has to play at a faster, don't control tempo because they're behind by 3. Fernando, and this is her second. This is her 4th service error. BFP now sees the finish line inside, but still far away. Osmelia kicks it up.
Good set.
Diaz, nowhere to go that time for Fernando.
Nakikita mo yung skill level ng firefighters individually tsaka as a unit. Ang ganda ng chemistry nila. Ang ganda ng set ni Abeliana doon.
Abel, a little problematic. Gendrauli. Osmelia running well laterally. Yumang and Rowley. Free ball, hindi aabot.
Si Jen Rowley talaga kailangan bantayan pag nasa harap. Kasi kahit na anong tira nito, nahahanap niya yung butas
Yung player, Pacure, Hilda Pacure, si action.
Nag-uusap pa si Jen Rowley tsaka si Abellana.
Nakikilitian nga Oh, yes.
Yun yung inaabangan kay Mamangon. If you have a good first ball, go to your middle. There was no blocker there for Mamangon. Great hit.
Tony Diaz will be serving. It's 20-15. BFP by 5. It crawls over the net. Danica gets it to bite.
Mahirap din talaga pigilan si Jen Rowley kasi kaliwete
That's true, Pagpantay will come in for Hilda Pacure. Regalo, a bit of a Regalo-like shot. Free ball in the air. It won't cross. And BFP arrives at 21. Osmelia did the right thing. She asked, who's serving?
Oo nga. Kung hindi, free point yun for Comelec.
Oh, home run. Cannot be a check ball. Not even close. That is a motion from the pre-challenge days.
The ball went over the blocker.
Yeah, Chino Tanagan will be in for Abel. I didn't expect this. It looks like the BFP might take this in 3.
Yun yung plano talaga ni Coach Franz.
Inside! Wow. Inside! And the service ace!
Birthday girl doing a great job in the front, in the back, and sa service zone.
BFP now a few steps away from the promised land of winning their 3rd straight game.
Nice!
Ace!
Ganda ng basa niya. Nakita niya lahat naka-atras
Abellana with 11. And serving for the match. We're done! And we are done!
What a game! This was a really exciting match for both teams. Pareho silang wanting to win, parehong masipag. It's just that ang firefighters were really more cohesive.
And they seem to have been better prepared for this.
Better prepared. Pinag-aralan talaga ang Comelec.
And look at this. Sino ba ang choice natin sa best player for this game?
Walang iba, kundi si Loida Abellana, the birthday girl.
And she did exactly well. She finished the set, she scored a point, and she served well. She had 11 points,